Hi, Mike here with 04 Outdoors. I've got a new product and a product that we've changed a little bit, and we're going to talk about it right now. So this is one of the products we're going to start offering. It's a pre-hung door. So what we have here is a door with an aluminum frame, aluminum skin, pre-hung with a lockable T-handle that's also adjustable in one of our 30-inch windows. So this is the new upgrade. We've changed this flat hinge to an offset hinge to eliminate the need to either recess our window or move the cross member up when opening the window. So all the features are the same on the window. Big turn knobs, the magnet large pull. But here on this standard construction using a 2x2 and a 1/2-inch sheeting, we get the clearance we need to open this window all the way up. So this is the two new products we'll be offering in the coming weeks. The new door, rough opening of 34.5 by 64, and our new window with the offset hinge. Go to 04outdoors.com. Just keep an eye on it. It'll go live on the website in about 3 to 4 weeks.